What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Wokey Bucks, and I'm back again with another video. So the topic that I'll be discussing in this video today is in regards to why people don't respect you. The one reason why you guys have to understand that people don't respect you is because you don't respect yourself, right? People can only respect what they see somebody else is doing through their results. A lot of people talk about being the type of person through their actions that they aren't really, but they express it a lot in their words, right? People can't respect somebody who doesn't respect themselves. People can't respect somebody who doesn't embrace, especially as a man, right? Who does not embrace his masculinity, who doesn't embrace him being a person that should be respected, a person that doesn't show the results of somebody that has his life together, right? If you are that type of person that expects people just to respect you because of who you are, right? Not embracing your aura, not working towards becoming the greatest version of yourself, whether it's physically, financially, spiritually, in every single aspect, people won't respect you. People can't respect somebody who doesn't respect themselves. When you respect yourself, you are willing to do what it takes to become the greatest version of yourself, right? Same thing with the woman. People can't respect you if you're not holding yourself up to the own end of the bargain, obviously trying to make yourself to become greater, right? People respect results. Once they see somebody's achieving those results, then they start to respect you. But people can't just respect you for who you are, right? That's not how this life is. And a lot of things you have to understand is that respect isn't given. Respect is earned. And a lot of you guys want respect to be given to you. Respect can't just be given to you for the sake of respect being given. Respect is something that has to be earned. And the reason a lot of you guys don't earn respect is because you are not willing to set yourself outside of the normal box, outside of the box of society, in order to be able to become great. Greatness can be achieved by anybody in this world, but not everybody can achieve greatness because everybody isn't willing to do what it takes to become great. They'd rather talk about trying to become great, but instead of actually trying to become great, all they do is talk about it, right? All of us have the ability to become successful. Every single one of us in this world, that's a human being, whether man or woman, has the ability to become successful. But a lot of us would rather talk about being successful than actually becoming successful. You have to be willing to put all your cards on the line. You have to be willing to sacrifice every single minute of every single day in order to become successful, right? People would tend to respect you more when they either see the potential in you and you're working towards becoming successful, or once you've achieved that success, right? You have to become successful. That is the one thing that you should be striving to become every single day. Be greater than you were the previous day. Be greater than you were 2 previous days, 3 previous days. Every single day improve, 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 improve. How did I get better today? How did you get better today? These are the questions that you should be asking yourself, because the things you have to realize is that this society will never respect you if you don't have anything to show for what you're doing. This world, at the end of the day, is a dangerous place. It's a tough place to live in. Only the strong can survive, right? I told you the weak people are going to be the ones that are going to crumble and fall. The strong people know how to adapt in certain situations and know how to embrace how to be strong and how to be strong-minded in the brain. Whether it's, like I said, mental capacity you're strong, physical capacity you're strong. Those are the people that get respected at the end of the day, not the people that talk about wanting to achieve success but don't have anything in their aura, don't have anything in their attitude, don't have anything in their behavior to show that they're really ready to do what it takes in order to become successful, right? And success doesn't have to only be in success in the workplace. Even in the dating game as well too, when it comes to talking to women, the thing you have to understand is that for a woman to view you as somebody who deserves to be respected, because that is what you should be looking for when it comes to talking to women first. A woman has to respect you before she can love you. She cannot respect a man who does not have anything going for himself, right? You have to at least become established or working towards becoming established for a woman to respect you. Once she respects you, you literally have her soul. You literally have her soul. She has to respect you. She literally needs to respect you, but she can't respect you if you don't have anything for her to come into. Especially men in this situation. A lot of you men want to call yourself kings. How can you become a king if you don't have a kingdom that you're building? And the kingdom that you're building literally comes in the sense that you're talking about you being able to build yourself up financially, physically, spiritually, mentally, in every single aspect. That is your kingdom. That is your kingdom. You have to be able to build yourself up there to be able to develop your kingdom so that a woman can come into your kingdom. Obviously, once you've developed your kingdom into a decent size, a decent amount for a woman to come into your kingdom, then from there, obviously, you need to embrace the masculinity. You need to embrace the sexual appeal. You need to embrace everything that you can embrace in order to be able to have her to become attracted to you. And one of the more important things, especially when you have a woman that's highly attracted to you, right? You need to make sure that you lead with confidence. You need to make sure that you embrace your aura as a man and don't let anybody, whether it's a woman or any other person, lead you astray from you being able to embrace your masculinity. Because the thing is that in this society that we live in right now, what women will call masculinity, aka traditional masculinity, they'll label it as toxic, but that's what they really want. And obviously, like I said, whether you're talking to her, whether you're in a relationship or trying to get into a relationship with her, make your intentions known so that there's no confusion at any point in time during the talking or dating stage or relationship stage, I meant to say, right? And then from there, do what you got to do. Obviously, if things work out well, do what you got to do. At the end of the day, just continuously embrace your masculinity, right? In regards to women, obviously, when it comes to women talking with men, obviously women, because most of them, they're usually going to achieve greatness when it comes to the dating game when they're younger because they're in their primes. That's when they look the best. But as they get older, and from there, as they reach towards hitting that wall, it starts to decline from them little by little, right? But at the same time as well, too, you can obviously help yourself become better or make it last a little bit longer by, like I said, working out, taking care of your body, taking care of yourself, staying in shape. When you don't take care of yourself, then you obviously move it towards you being in the wrong direction. So these are the ways that people are going to look at you and say that I can respect this person because this person is a person of results. And this person doesn't allow anybody or anything to get in the way of his success. And that is the way that you want people to view you. That is the way that you want people to see you. But that starts off with obviously wanting to improve yourself first. Once you put yourself first, once you put everything that's going to help you succeed first, people have no choice but to respect you. But when you don't put yourself first, when you put yourself last, right, and you don't focus on how you can become greater and focusing on other people and wasting your time doing things that are not going to yield you success in every single aspect, you're only going to get worse and people will never respect you. If you understand, it's because you're woke, but if you do not understand, you are not woke. This is going to be the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you go spam that like button, leave comments, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel at WokeEbucks, WOKEEBUKS. Tap the notification bell to get all the latest videos that I post. More videos are going to be down in the link in the description below, so make sure you give that a check. You feel what I'm saying? Patreon link is also going to be down in the description below, so make sure you give that a check. Social media links also going to be down in the description below, so make sure you give that a check. Without further ado, this is going to be the end of this video. This is WokeEbucks, and I'm out, man.